Today's wine text is the 2017 Loyo from Yolo white wine blend from California. So this is actually a really exciting wine. We got to taste it about 4 months ago with the distributor of the wine. They brought it to us. They thought it was really fun, interesting. They put it in our glass. The whole team tasted it. And we actually absolutely loved it. I mean, I went right to Brandon and was like, Brandon, I know you're going to kill me for this, but I think we have to buy this wine. So this is 2017, good, fresh white wine. It's actually a blend of 2 Italian grapes that don't normally grow in California, but these small vineyards actually produce a really good product, which is Vermentino and Cortese. So Cortese is a lighter style white wine, very minerally, while Vermentino has a little bit more viscosity, a little bit more body that goes on. I think the wine is light, easy drinking, but has a ton of fruit flavors going on. You have orchard fruits, citrus fruits, that kind of lemon curd, a little bit of that, lime thing going on, yellow apples, peach ring. I mean, there's so much complexity in this wine, it goes on and on and on. The alcohol level is actually pretty low. It's around 11.5%. So when you drink the wine, it's going to be slam back approachable. Really easy drinking, nice acidity, lots of kind of, things going on. And I'm really excited to, taste it with you guys. So YOLO. So the color on it's what I consider almost a little green, star bright. It has definitely a brightness, which shows that it's definitely a youthful wine. Legs on it, the acidity level is pretty high too. A lot of cool notes, like I said, yellow apple, golden apple, a little bit of McIntosh too. I think it's got a lot of orchard fruits going on. There's almost like this little plummy thing. Definitely some yellow flowers, white flowers, honeysuckle, things of that nature as well. This is like my favorite style of white wine. I'm a big Riesling guy. Not that it's sweet. The alcohol level is low, so it's all just flavor, which makes it really fun and interesting. This wine's killer. You guys are getting a wine made by, this is the other side story. It's made by the Matthiasson family, which is debatably one of the best winemaking families in all of Napa Valley. This is a cool little side project they do, and the wine is unbelievably good. Easy drinking, light, crisp. This is party wine to me. Like, get everyone together and just start opening bottles. So, really cool stuff. Really small production. Bring it to you at an unbelievable price that you won't find it anywhere else. And I think you guys will really enjoy it.